Welcome back, everyone. So quickly, let's continue our discussion on image maps again on HTML. Last time I told you that I'm going to discuss about picture in HTML. So what is picture? A picture defines a container for multiple image resources. That's where the word picture comes from. A picture defines a container for multiple image resources. So I want you to understand this. This is an image with multiple resources. It's a picture. You can see this one here. Everything here, they are inside what? A picture. This one here, they are inside a picture. Picture is a container with multiple resources. You can see we have this. So all this we will call all this a picture. So the last time I told you I'm going to discuss about picture. This is picture for you, because we're having this designer designing everything together, the keyboard, the face of this thing, the screen, the coffee. We have different types of resources inside it. That's why we call it a picture. I just want to give a tip on it. A picture means a picture defines a container for multiple image resources. So the picture, that's how the picture forms. In the future tutorial, if we come across some ways we can still try to understand more about pictures, I'm going to release it out so you guys can understand it. So that's why I'm here today. I wish to see you guys next time. Anwar, akorede, ayofe is my name. Bye bye.